It's my pleasure, and thank you for visiting us at the IAA 2025. KOSTAL stands for innovation you can feel, in every touch and in every detail. And I would like to show you one example. The KOSTAL dynamic rotary control with active brake adapts to you. It adjusts haptic feedback, precise steps for precise settings, and stronger detents for quick adjustments. This means full control without ever taking your eyes off the road.
So the color will be changed?
The color changes, and the Swarovski crystal with ambient light not only adds brilliance, but also a premium feel with every movement.
So it's a real crystal, right?
It's a real crystal.
Yeah.
And I would like to show you how this looks like in a real series product.
Okay, let's follow you.
The Huawei Maestro rotary control is where design and innovation come together. The magnetic haptics deliver precise feedback, and the real crystal and the real metal ensure elegance and durability. This is one of the examples how we also bring a very fast time to market, and we call this fast-paced projects.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.